Hey, good morning, everybody. Frosty again here from South Florida. It's Wednesday, and that means that there's new Frosty Investment Club algorithm information available. Uh, I was pretty confident yesterday when I posted that long video, and I wrote the monthly review for the Frosty Fund, and then I ran the algorithms last night. And oh my God, I cannot begin to describe to you the absolute carnage that this market experienced over the last week. Uh, the big money folks decided let's take some money out of the market, and they did. Um, Boy, I ran the algorithm last night, 50 stocks, and one Exxon was on an up, and it was on an up met. It's already met its target. FedEx flipped to an up yesterday, but only because they were the one stock last week that had any good news. Everything else out of 50 stocks, 48 of them are on downtrends. Okay, in the sectors section, um, there's uh, there's only two ups there. One, the DXDs, the short fund. Imagine that, the fund that goes up when the market goes down, hit its target price. We'll be looking to take profits in that this week. And the other one is Exxon. Hey, guess what? Oil's up, Exxon's making money, and we're paying more to pump. I don't know. This market's broken, folks. I'm going to be very careful with the club portfolio here for a couple of weeks. In my opinion, the markets represent the big money corporations, the big money investors out there, and I think they're finally saying we've had enough with this crap. Biden. I don't want to bring politics into this, but the overall politics and the overall situation in the country is what's affecting the market. Okay, you know the yeah. Enough on that. Okay, we small investors. The point in this, we small investors have to be extremely, extremely careful of what the big guys are doing. Um, and it's not time to be bold. It's time to be careful. Okay, let me run down through the algorithms real quick. My spreadsheet is over on the up in the upper corner there. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Do me somebody out there, do me a favor. Give me some comments. See if you can read this thing or not, whether it's worth doing it this way or I'll figure out another way to do it. Anyways, in the sectors portfolio, nothing was up. Nothing is up. There are new ups anywhere. Um, on the downside, we got a new down in utilities. That's the XLUs, and we got a down in the uh, healthcare, and healthcare is XLV. Okay, there were flip downs in industrials, metals, real estate, gold, and the small caps. XLIs, XMEs, XLREs, GLD, and the SCHAs all flipped to the downside. Remember, flips take other news. Other news is coming today. Um, the Fed has had a 2-day meeting, and Chairman Powell speaks at 2 p.m. today. I think Chairman Powell's between a rock and a hard place. Let me finish up here. The only met up target this week was on the DXDs on the upside. I already talked about that. Downside, the Mets were on the financials. We got out of them earlier this week. On the consumer, not discretionaries, the staples. The staples met down, and the mid caps met down. We're out of all those right now. So uh, we have some cash available, and historically, it's a good time to buy when the market is and the media guys out there are screaming bear market, bear market, bear market. Um, historically, that's a good time to buy. Thanks, PJ. You gave me a nice comment yesterday in the Frosty um, page on Facebook, and made me think about that a little bit. Yeah, buying time's coming, folks, but not just yet. We got to wait till we see what Chairman Powell says today at 2, and and then maybe we'll do some reactions. Hey, stay tuned for the rest of the week. I'll have some comments on whatever Powell does. I hope he raises it 3/4. I'd like to see 1. I think we're headed for a short, small recession, but I'd like to see it kept short and small. And if they look, when you take medicine, when I got real sick, they didn't say to you, "Hey, Frosty, we're going to give you a quarter of the dose, or we're going to give you a half point dose." Take the shot, get the medicine, put it to work, get the problem fixed. That's what I'd like to see. Let's see what he does before we make any moves. Enough rambling here. Thanks for listening. Give me a like. Oh, the spreadsheet that I have on the screen, I have it in nice PDF form. If you IM me or text me or send me an email to at frostyinvestmentsclub@gmail.com, I'll print them out. I'll send you the PDFs, and you can have the information much easier to read. I'll do that for both the sectors and the overall stock fund, but right now I'm just talking about sectors. Again, send me your email, give me a like, follow me, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Frosty out.